Hey lovelies, welcome back to another video. I hope that you guys are having a great day.
And a better one watching this video.
By the title down below, you guys already know what we're about to do. Before we get into the video, guys, please remember to like,
subscribe,
and turn on those post notification bells so you never miss a video when we
upload.
This challenge that we are going to be doing today is the jaw on my back challenge. So let's try to explain. Turn on. Oh my god. So I'm going to be facing the wall. We have our markers. She's going to, it doesn't matter. She's going to be drawing. I don't agree. I just said it didn't matter, but anyway.
You know I get the blue now.
Anyway, she's going to be drawing on my back and I'm going to be mimicking whatever I feel on my back and hopefully I get it right. Vice versa. Ready? So, check it. I'm an artist.
Me a draw artist. Yeah, draw artist.
Don't laugh after a woman draw. Because I'm an artist. Don't draw.
No problem.
Not just that.
Yeah, draw.
Alright, so let's go.
Don't look at the camera.
Alright, so I'm excited for something. I'm a can't draw. I don't know why, but
what?
Let's go. Alright, ready?
Ready.
Press hard so I can feel. We should put that on Ellen. Alright, so this is what I felt. Come here, John. Come and see that. Alright, come. 1, 2, 3. Oh my goodness. I'm sorry that.
Look for my top.
At least we get something similar. No? No? My time.
Yeah.
Oh.
Cheetah.
Oh, my cheese.
Put pepper.
We hold on one grudge. Alright. Ready. Oh yeah, though. I feel like I'm foolish around the sun.
You come in a feel a while ago.
Come.
Never think.
Done. Ready? Alright, come. Go on. Let's see it, John. Show them that, come. Alright, come. Let's reveal. 1, 2.
Oh my god.
So show me what you draw.
I want to feel. My feet some go straight down, wait
I'm
then.
draw nothing go straight down, because I circle my jaw for.
The first time my feet it go straight on our back.
At least me do it there. Yes,
It's
nothing hard. When I wait, I'm ready. Alright, ready. Can you put the camera so yeah, yeah? I said nothing hard. You're not pressing. I'm not feeling. No more space for the proper page. Steve, don't give up.
Drama, you look perfect. Sure.
I never feel nothing, so I can't draw nothing.
Me for the show. We're going to big reveal. Sure.
Come now. Ready? This is that. But tell us something did feel like. You're thief.
You got punked. Yeah.
You're thief. Alright, final road. One. Ready? Mm-hmm. Ready? No, we're not finished. Go. Go.
Third page down.
Go. Ready? Want to go first or me go first? You're close, actually. Ready?
This oh my god!
You're actually close. But they're not in the water, they're actually on the sun. So you lost it.
But come try the 2 man in power in there.
Why you were
No, I think I want belly. Then we are now. I feel just like myself.
Why you, brother? What you teaching the children? Come, your first drawing was your little baby girl.
This is that no, Kaylee. Yeah, can make Kaylee.
Oh, shut you. And I drawing. I drew a flower. Ish, something. What did you draw? What is it? I don't know what that is. Some dinner big secret.
Move on, boy.
And then what you gonna do? This, the one when we get punk or something on the side. Put them aside. No, oh yeah. Nothing I like. I definitely lost that one. And then the final. She was close. She was close. Don't? Yeah, she can get that one because she did close. Move. That's it.
Come here, Gaza. This is the reason why my tummy is big.
Say hi.
Mm.
Hi, Judy.
Hey.
Hi, Judy. No, I'm not talking with nobody. Anyway. A phone. Okay, guys, that's the end of this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed, and I hope that I put a
I won.
smile on your face. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please remember to like, subscribe, and turn on those post notification bells so you never miss a video when we upload. Thanks, guys. See you in the next one. Bye. Bye. Bye.